Do you got the oh hey,
It's right there.
you got the Hellcat?
I was dropping it off. Where is it?
Oh, it's right there. And
I put it in the garage for you.
wait, I got one question for you. What is your dream car?
Oh, I have Audi.
Audi?
Yes.
Okay. One second, okay? You know what? You can have this Hellcat. You can have this Hellcat. And I'm gonna give you the Audi too. Let's put this in reverse. Sam?
Yeah, buddy, what do you want?
You done? Close your eyes. If you look, I'm gonna punch you.
I'll call authorities on you, man.
And I'll steal your phone as well, so whatever. Okay. Now, hold on. Wait.
Yes, 5 seconds. 5. I'm gonna 5.
Okay, come on out.
It's so your Oh wait. You still living out with my tow truck, my guy?
No. And actually, I'm gonna buy you another car. Wait.
Can you move the tow truck?
Yeah.
Move the tow truck. I'm putting on your clothes.
Do you want me to buy you another car?
No, thank you.
You sure?
Thank you.
Okay. So, like and subscribe.
You look at my drifts.
Nobody cares. Like and subscribe. Click the follow button, and we'll be out. Goodbye, guys. Thank you.